Hello guys, today I will explore on how principle of design can interpret with styling. Today's topics I will show you how to use rhythm from principle of design for better styling. So let's get started. We often heard the word rhythms when we are talking about things that have movement like music, dance, or sport. However, rhythms can also create visually by repetition, gradation, and radiation of elements. In design, there are three main types of rhythms. We have regular rhythms and irregular rhythms, and we have progressive rhythms. Starting from regular rhythms, it is how similar elements in size or length repeating at the same interval, and these monotonous rhythms has a steady beat, consist, and predictable. However, it can be boring if you overuse these type of rhythms. In styling, you can find regular rhythms in most grid patterns like stripe, tartan, plaid, or polka dots. For a non-pleat regular rhythms, you can find regular rhythms in clothes that have pleat detail. I am wearing this black and white skirt, and this skirt not only it is black and white stripe, but it also a pleat as well. So this skirt has a clear regular rhythm in it. Second is irregular rhythms. It is how same or contrast element repeating in random interval. It creates more active and more dynamic movement. In styling, you can find these in graffitis or abstract print, and in some natural pattern like floral or animal pattern as well. And if you want more simple irregular rhythms without any print, you can looking for clothes that have asymmetrical balance shape like asymmetrical skirt or asymmetrical draping style clothes. Last is progressive rhythms. It is how an element's gradual change in length, thickness, shape, size, spacing, or colors, and this progressive rhythm will give more steady sequence. In styling, you can add progressive rhythms by wearing clothes that have color gradation or a plain with fade gradation. And if you're looking for a shape or line of clothes that have progressive rhythms, you can find it in clothes that have gradation change in fit, a well fit on the top and have gradation change to loose oversized on the hems. Also, you can find it on a balloon skirt or a blouse that have balloon sleeve. And this is all how I use rhythms from Principle of Design for better styling. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and have a nice day.